song works on counting by 10. It's 100% chance of rain. So we're going to say the song is It's Gonna Rain. So it, or if you want to spell it IT, but it, pinky on your palm and turn, is gonna, we're gonna do will, your right hand just goes straight out from your cheek, and rain, you make claw hands and make the rain come down. You'll need 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 55 zeros, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100 is 1 and C, like the Roman numeral, 1 and C. And then chance of rain. Chance, you've got your C hands like this, you turn them over. Of, I'm just going to spell it of, because it's just easy, O-F, of. And then rain. And the other thing you'll need is percent, the percent sign. And you just make kind of a flat O and draw a little percent sign, the little circle, the line, and out. So it'll be like 50%. So here we go. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. 100% chance of rain. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% chance of rain. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% chance of rain. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. It's gonna rain, rain, rain. 100% chance of rain.